Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I was washing dishes. I had to pull up my sleeve. Okay. So, we're going to finish the breakfast. As you can see, the sausage is all ready. Looks good, eh? I put the potatoes in the microwave to keep them warm. They're not really cooking or nothing in there, but they're going to sit there. We're going to use a muy poquito, I'm speaking Spanish now, milk, because I learned water does not puff up the eggs. Milk does. I'm not sure how you say milk in Italiano yet. I'll learn it someday. Not today. Today we're going to take maybe 4 eggs, maybe 5 eggs. So crack it and then drop it. Una, due. There we go. Make sure no shells in there. Tres. These are small eggs. No, they say large eggs, but they don't look too large to me. They're not Rhode Island Reds. They're white. Blanco. We'll do 4 eggs. Should be enough for breakfast, eh? Because we have a big breakfast today. Ugh. All over my hair. Wash my hands, gross. No eggs on me. No meow meow. We're not going to add cheese this time because we have the cheese in our potatoes. We take the squiggly thing here. You know what will be very good, kitty cat? If we put some flame underneath that. There. Okay. We mix that up. We don't need to add pepper. What are we doing? We're not videoing the kitty cat. The cat is not part of the breakfast.
He's totally watching you make breakfast.
You probably think I'm crazy. This is Flynn you were watching.
Yes, my boy.
This is what happens when you get the crazy cat woman lady to video. She videos the kitty cat instead of breakfast. Maybe we add comedy in. It's funny, eh? We hope. A little funny. Okay. There's 1 egg in here that does not want to mix up. Come on, you. I don't have lots of room. I don't want it splashing out. Something's alive in there. I hope not. Because you know, maybe you've watched this man. He's a professional cook. Gordon Ramsay. I don't want him coming into my kitchen because he'll say it's raw. It's raw. No, it's not raw. It's not cooked yet. It's not raw though, yet. Anyhow, so there you have it. There's the sausage. And then we pour in the eggs. I went to a doctor's office yesterday and watched, what's his name, Bobby Flay? He makes some weird stuff. Peanut butter and jelly my butt. Okay, that's done. That's done. We get this, and we're gonna stir it in. Let's go. It's got potatoes inside there, or patate. The juices from it, because this is the same pan. Why mess up more pans? Correct. What's all over the camera? Anyways, it's not on the screen, not on the thing. It's good. Is this looking good? I hope. And we're going to say, we hope this will be delicioso. Yummy. Do I make the eggs too raw? I don't know. I asked my wife. Does it normally come out raw, or do you like it the way I make it? Okay, so we were going to make it a little dry. As long as they don't get stuck to the bottom of this pan. This pan likes to get everything stuck. So I hope you like my videos on my wife's video recording, my camera woman. we say here in America. You know, maybe I don't reach nobody in Italy on this video. I hope to find out how to reach people in Italy, because American, yes, I get lots and lots of people on Facebook to watch, and I want more. I want more. That's all I want is more. You see, I want to fire in the flavor. No, I'm talking like the artist William Alexander. He likes to fire in the colors, but no, I'm firing in the flavor. Firing up the flavor, maybe. Okay, so we have eggs, or as you say in Italy, we have, where is it? Ova, we have potate, and we have salsiccia. I hope I said that right. It's Italian sausage. And of course we have formaggio. So, thank you for watching. You want to see a picture of it on the plate, right? I'll take a still photo and add it to the thing, maybe, so you can see what it looks on the plate. It's done. And thank you for watching. Buongiorno, and have a great oggi.